So you have an HHR and your hatch opens, but as soon as you let go, slams shut. Here's how to replace the struts. Basically what you want to do is aim for these tabs with a screwdriver to lift out. Same thing down here. Right here there's actually a really nice slot where you can do that. But just look at the condition of this thing. Look at this. Ooh-wee. It's just letting air all out of here. So, like so. Just like that. Pop that off. Like so. And then, same thing for the other side. Wow. Alright, and just get your new one. Put that sucker on the same way. Alright, I guess I gotta cut this strap. And once you have the strap or packaging unwrapped where your strut is all the way extended, the rest of this process is really easy. It's just a push-in install. If it doesn't fit one way, it'll fit the other way. The other side will, well, the other side looks like it's got a broken tab on this thing, so we're going to have to replace that too. Interesting. Yeah, I'm just kidding. I already knew about the broken part. I already got a replacement part for it, so I'm going to replace that while I'm doing this. Alright, the socket is a 10 millimeter, so that's what we're going to take out. And verify this is the same size, which it is, and we can put this snoop back in. Yeah. Okay. And then get your other rod. Pop that sucker on there. Right over here. Oh, jeez. I got it. There it goes. Just pops on just like that. Just like the other side did. Now I'm going to lift this up enough to pop this sucker on there. Come on now. I know you can. You can do it. Oh, there it is. Now it is fixed. I mean, now I got to clean up all this stuff, but yay! I know it was simple, short, sweet, but some people like to see DIY stuff and get to the point. So if this helped you, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, see you guys on the next one.